Okay, when you get your television hooked up and you need to configure it, you're going to hit the settings button on the remote control, and that is this widget button here. And you're going to obviously point the remote at the TV. The first thing you're going to come up with is the menu along the left-hand side of the television there. And the fastest way to get to the setting at the bottom is to actually hit up and then hit OK to all settings. And then we're going to go down to General, which is in the background there. And then hit OK. Move to the right, down to Channels. Then go to Channel Tuning by hitting OK. And we're going to select the auto tuning section there by hitting OK. And when we start this scan, we're only worried about one particular band of channels to scan. So we're going to skip the first two. So I'm going to start the scan, and then I'm going to select skip, select yes, and then we're going to skip the second scan for antenna TV. And the only one we're worried about is this cable digital television here. That is the one where you're going to find 10 channels in your scan. And once you find the 10, we can go ahead and skip by selecting OK. And then we can skip the last analog cable channel scan. In my setup, I've only got 2 channels on digital TV, but you will find 10 of your own. So now we're going to click Done or OK on Done. And now you should have the channels that we scanned, 20-1, 21-1, that type of thing. Once that's finished, you're going to press and hold that same settings widget that you used. You're going to press and hold that for about 5 seconds, pointing at the television until the banner appears at the top. And then quickly, you're going to type in 1105 OK. So again, we're going to hold the settings button. And then once that banner appears, we're going to get into this hidden access menu by typing in 1105 OK. And once that happens, you're going to have a wheel that appears on the screen. And that means that it's accessing that hidden menu. Now that we're in the hidden menu, we're going to make a couple of settings changes. So we're going to go down to General. And then we're going to go to Configuration Setup here. Hit OK. And we're going to scroll all the way down past what we can view to a setting called PM mode. And we're going to make sure that that PM mode is set to network ready. We want to make sure the PIL is established there, and that after we make that settings change, it displays network ready. So then we can go ahead and hit to the left. And then we're going to go up to network. And then to the right, we're going to go down to wake on LAN. Hit OK. And we're going to make sure that this wake on LAN magic packet is set to power on. The PIL needs to be selected to power on. And once that setting is engaged, we can go back a step, hit OK on network again, and send us a picture of this screen or text this screen to us to where we can get the MAC address. We need that information in order to get the television set up on the network for our purposes. And once that is done, you can just exit out of the screen with the exit button on the remote, and that'll get you back to your regular channels, and that's it for setup. Thank you.